everyone, in this video I will teach you how to do AI avatar trend on Instagram and TikTok. First, just simply install an application that generates photos into avatars. Using my Android phone, I installed this app called Magic AI Avatars. This app will allow you to use it for free, and they also have an option for payment to access more services. To start it for free, they will require you to upload 6 photos. Make sure to take note of the guidelines when uploading a photo. Once you upload your photos, just select a gender for it. Since we just only have a free access, this app will require us to wait for 20 hours for the avatars. But don't worry because they offer ads that will make our waiting time shorter. In my experience, I just watched 3 ads and I will now just wait for 1 hour instead of 20 hours. After 1 hour of waiting, my avatars are now available with different styles. That's how easy and fast it is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching!